Wanting to know how to get better at knifing? Well, you're at the right video, because today I'll be telling you how to get better with the knife in Rivals. Now granted, I do have the gold wrap, but I don't have much kills like other people, and yeah, but I'll be telling the basics that if you don't know, then you can never get better at knifing, so be aware. Okay, so right now the first step is to that you have to learn double jumping, and in order to learn double jumping, you have to take the loadout that I have right now, and you have to go to the shooting range. Then here, just like I'm doing right here, you have to jump on targets and practice to get on the top of the highest target. Okay, like I'm gonna tell you where the highest target is. Wait, let me just find it right here. And if I go here, there it is. And this is the second highest, and this is the highest target. So try to get it, and if you get on top of it, then you have mastered this move. Okay, so the second move is this one. Now I'm gonna do it like this. Now you might have seen a lot of pro knifers do this, but the problem is that I am not like that good with on this thing. And so later on in the video I'll be showing the use of this in a 1v1, but mostly diamond and like Midas touch knifers are pretty good at this. I'm like 1300 kills away from diamond, so I can kind of do it, but still, if you can do this, then you're good. Okay, so the third move is right here. When you spawn, you have to do this. Now look closely how I switch weapons to double jump, because this is useful, and you can pause the video if you want to. Now the second thing is like this, double jump, boom, you kill him. And these things are way faster, and for example, like I told, that practice, you can do it right here. For example, that guy is standing there, you can do movement like this, and it is actually very useful to do it like this, so you can just dodge his ammos like that, and basically you'll miss a lot, and then you can go near him and then backstab him. So keep in mind, you have to do this or you just cannot get better at knife. Okay, so I'll be using the same tech that I teach to you guys right here, and as you can see, you can just kill the oh my god, what is this noob doing? You can just kill noobs like this and get better with the knife. Okay, so you might be wondering that there should be a counter to that too, and yes, you can counter it like this and win the round if the knifer is better than you. Okay, so that was all of the things, and if you master them, you might get better with the knife and actually be like the pros like you see in the videos. So keep on practicing these. And what is he doing? Don't you dare, bro. Oh no, no, oh my god, no, no.